All right, so we're gonna be going to check and see if our certified mail made it to whether it's the credit bureaus or either the debt buyer, right? So we're gonna go to USPS.com, right? And you can go to your computer, whatever. It's real easy to do, right? Anyway, so when we get on here, and you notice it's got search USPS.com or enter the tracking number. So it's simple, guys. Uh, these slips that we give those people, right? We have to fill out with the credit, right? We got to make sure that that number, right? That number, we're just gonna put it right in here. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be simple. You know what I'm saying? Just like this. 702 1 2 7 2 0 0 0 0 3 2 9 4 9 97 5 5. Okay, so when I enter, notice the screen is going to change and boom, see right there? So we know that they received it. And the beautiful thing about this is we have this for our records, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to snapshot this right here because it's later going to be used as evidence if needed, right? So this stuff works if you work it, right? So well, this is what we needed to see. Uh, if you have any questions or comments, anything, uh, you know, of course, guys, you done. If they received it, you better be trying to call me, right? Especially if it's dealing with those credit reporting agencies, right? Uh, we real time sensitive on that thing, right? Because we know when they receive it, they only have 5 days that they can say, you know what, this thing is frivolous and kick it back. And, or they have to send it to the furnisher. And that's what we want to know. So on that 6th day, I always tell my clients, you're going to make your phone call to make sure that they send it to the debt buyer or the one that's holding that debt over there, right? Why? Because the furnisher, right? Because it is so important that we sue both of those bad actors. We don't want to leave nobody out. Okay? So just make sure we do everything according to plan, okay? Hey, I love y'all guys. Um, let's go to the next step, okay? And this is what, step 2? Let's go.